Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Are you ready? Let's draw together, this will be so much fun. Let's start with SpongeBob. First, draw his big, round eyes. Now, draw the shape of his square head and his hands. Let's add his fancy suit so he's always ready to work at the Krusty Krab. Now, let's draw Sandy cheeks. Start with her eyes and nose, then draw her mouth and her funny little teeth. Let's give her a round helmet and her astronaut suit. She's from Texas and loves science. Next up is Patrick Star, SpongeBob's best friend. Draw his big eyes and his open mouth, he always looks surprised. Now draw his chubby, silly body. He's so funny. Now, let's draw Mr. Krabs. Start with his two eyes popping up, then draw his big mouth. Don't forget his teeth. And of course, draw his claws and his neat little suit. Oh wow, he looks a little grumpy, doesn't he? Maybe someone touched his money. Right next to him, let's draw Squidward tentacles. Start with his two sleepy eyes, then draw his long, long nose. Now add his long neck and his simple shirt. He's not very cheerful, but we still like him. And finally, let's draw Plankton. He's teeny tiny, with only one eye. Draw his little mouth and sharp teeth. He's always trying to steal the Krabby Patty recipe. Now draw his arms and his head just like this. Now it's time to trace. You can follow along too. Let's start coloring. First, I'll use sky blue to color the background for all the SpongeBob characters. Now, let's color SpongeBob. Let's add pink and light brown to finish Sandy's suit. For Patrick, I'll color his mouth with pink and brown, and of course, his body is all pink. Now for Mr. Krabs' clothes. I'll use sky blue, black, and dark blue. Next, let's color Squidward using orange and gray. And for Plankton, I'll use dark green, a bit of pink, and some brown too. And we're done. Wow, you did such an amazing job drawing and coloring with me today. If you had fun, more colorful fun. See you next time, my little artists. Goodbye.